What's up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. It's Monday. Let's get into it. Welcome to the pre-market live show. Let's drop it like it's hot. So, hope you guys had a blessed weekend. Let's jump it. So, this is what we got going on. We're going to start off with news. All right, let's talk about it. Ready? So, news, there's not going to be too much craziness going on the news. I mean, at least for today. Looks like we got CB leading index 7 o'clock. That's not even a 1 star. None of these are. 8:30 3-month bill auction. That's like a 2 star. And then we have foreign bond investment. So nothing major going on for today unless Trump tweets something. So just keep that in mind. Nothing crazy going on today. All right. News wise. Let's see what else. So news-wise, that's what we got going on. We still have talks going on about trade war between China and Trump. So be aware of that. That affects the whole market. And then we have, Bitcoin. Let's start off with Bitcoin. Bitcoin looks like it's actually out of that downtrend that we were talking about earlier. Right, we talked about it last week. We said once it breaks out of this huge little downtrend here, it's going to go on an uptrend. So, my bad. Excuse me, my dog. Hey, my bad. My dog wanted some treats. All right. So we got out of this huge downtrend here from Bitcoin past almost a week, almost 2 weeks. Finally breaking up. This is your signal to go long. You could possibly swing trade Bitcoin long it here and then put a stop right below 107. But for today, what I would be looking for an intraday trade would be, I would be looking for, give me 1 sec, guys. That's my wife. Yes, ma'am. I'm kind of in the middle of a YouTube show. What's up?
Or before you throw it away.
You are
You know where it is?
you are on live right now, but yes, how can I help you?
I said before you throw it away on the table,
Mm-hmm.
where I said, there's a white envelope with my cash. Put it over.
Okay, cool.
Can you do that before you throw the envelope away?
Yeah, sounds good.
Do you know where exactly, like where I said?
Yes, I know where you sit. Mm-hmm.
The white envelope. Okay, love you.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Love you. Sorry, guys. Wife's just calling. Okay, love you. Bye. Have a nice day.
Alright.
Have a nice day.
Okay, you're fun.
Bye bye. Love you. Be safe. All right. Awesome. Wife's going to work. She's a nurse. All right. Saving all them peoples. Let's go back to it. So, where were we? Bitcoin. Yes. So downtrend. We're up in a uptrend now. It is 612. So we still got some time. So I would anything below Asia low, I would take the short. But there's a thing. If we don't make this low here on Asia before 7:30 PST time, then I wouldn't take this short. I want to make this between 6:30 to 7:30 PST time, and then I would take the short, looking for a target of previous day open, and then as well as I'd be looking for a long on this if we hold this 110 level, we hold it off the open, and we bounce above Asia high, London high. I would be looking to target a quick little 112 scalp, okay, on it, and possibly look for that breakout back into 113. So that's the Bitcoin play for today. Now let's jump into the MES, which is the micro. So ES, this was last Thursday that I had a game plan. I didn't trade on Friday. Took the day off. No stream on Friday, but last Thursday I remember I had the game plan. I said anything below Asia low, take the short. Boom, that paid money, instant money right there. And I said anything above London high, take the long, targeting previous day high. You got that, but then you got stopped out, right? But then you made back all your loss on that short. So again, for today's game plan is we're about to make a double top here. If we break out on the open, if we hold previous day high, well, two things have to happen. We have to hold previous day high. We have to break out 67.38. I'm looking for a long, and I'm looking to target 67.65 and 60 and 6800 on ES. Now, on the short side, again, this has to happen the way I want it to happen for me to take the trade. I want to take it below Asia right there. So same game plan. Anything below Asia, I'll take that short, right? We're doing higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. So I needed to break market structure. Anything below Asia low, anything below 6694, I will take the short. I will target 6679 and 6653 on ES. Simple game plan. We hold previous day high off the open. We target either the high of 67.37, leave a little runner on to target 67.52 and 67.64. Okay, those are the two targets I'm looking for. And then let's go over to YM. It is 6:15, so we still got some time before the market, 15 minutes. And then same thing. What did I say on YM? I said we need to push above London high in order to target these previous highs we had in order to go long. Obviously, we did not. And I had said if we break this structure, this support that we have here, if we break Asia low, London low, which is previous Asia low, previous London low, we're going to flush. What do? Bam, we flushed last Thursday. Did not trade Friday, took it off. Now, here we go. We got same thing. If we break, I need to break, but today I need to break this Asia low in order for me to go short. If Dow does this tricky stuff where it just keeps holding between London high, it keeps holding between 46.57 and 46.38, then I'm not taking any trades in here. I needed to bounce above this in this range that it's in, and I will take the breakout in order to target 46.80, 46.877. And anything below Asian low on the Dow Jones, 46.308, I will target previous open, and I will target previous 45.98. Actually, I'll move a target right here. Looks better for you guys. So this is what I'm targeting. First target would be previous open, 46.127. Next target would be 45.990. That's the game plan for the Dow Jones. Now, let's see. Now we're going to Russell, my boy, the Russell small caps big index. All right, same thing. What did I call on Thursday? What did I say? I said we needed to break out above Asia high, above London high in order to target previous day high. Did that happen? No, we flushed. I said anything under London low, Asia low, what was it? Short. We got paid. You got paid first half at 25.18, second half at 2500. And I had another target of 24.78. So even then, by around 9:20, you were paid. Same thing. Did not trade Friday. Same thing for today. As long as we're holding, looks like small caps is breaking out. As long as we're holding previous day high and we're holding 24.78, anything above for me on the Russell, anything above 24.79, I'm looking long and I'm looking for 2500, or I'm looking for 25.19 as possible targets. For me to go short on the Russell, I needed to break two key areas for me. I needed to break Asia low, and I needed to break previous open, which was last Friday's open, in order for me to be targeting on the Russell. I would be targeting 24.44, and I would be targeting 24.34, as well as be targeting 24.07. So these are my possible targets on the downside that I would be going for, and then I have my up targets. Okay, so pretty much, and then we got the last one we're gonna go over is our bad boy. You know who it is the NQ. Let's get it. So the NQ, pretty simple. You can see I traded that on Thursday. I missed a lot of that flush, but it is what it is. This is one of my indicators that I have. It's like a buy indicator. It shows you the buy and sell. but you know, it's kind of lagging, so I don't really use it. I just leave it on there sometimes. Sometimes I take it off. But anyways, this is what it looks like. We got on same thing I talked about on ES, but on this NQ, we got that flushed more on Friday. Did not trade this. This was a great target for people that traded overnight Asia and London on the NQ, and then it gave you a good long as long as it held that London low. That was like the line in the sand for longs. So they took the longs as long as it held that. They were just getting paid at 24,873, getting paid at 25.16. Same thing, same bias today on the NQ. Anything above, literally probably Asia, you can go long. At least I'm gonna go long, and I'm gonna target 25,194 and 2280. I'm just gonna go long, and I'm gonna hold and leave this bad boy here as my stop. Reason being is I don't think they're gonna come take out Asia low today, and if they do, then they're gonna flush her. If they come out and take London low and Asia low, then I would take the possible short, and I would be targeting 24,879 and targeting. I would target two targets. I would target 24,879, and I would target previous open, which is 24,730, and leave a runner on for 24,633. So these would be my three targets. It would be 1, 2, 3. That's what I would be targeting on the NQ. It would just make it that much easier for me. If you guys have any questions, anything you want me to answer, but yeah, I would definitely be going for this bad boy here. But anything above, literally anything above, right here, anything above this Asia low, this London low, I would wait for pullbacks off the open, buy here, maybe buy here, and then I would risk the Asia low. And I would wait for the pop. I'd be looking for 25,200, 25,220. And again, if we come back into this level, we're looking for breakouts, right? It's indicating a higher, high. This was a nice flush. When they flushed it here on that overnight, they did take they possibly took out a lot of swing longs that had their stops at 24,692. They got smoked, right? So they bottom taped it. They smoked out the swing longs, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people were long down here. They probably had the stops a little bit above, and they got smoked if they didn't take profits up here. So just keep that in mind. For today, that's what I would be looking for on a Monday. Usually Mondays are long days. I would be looking for long, have my stop at Asia low. And if we get that before 7:30, ideally, I want it to break out before 7:30. I want it to make a higher. So that is the game plan for today, guys. I don't think I have any. I don't think I'll be watching in video or anything else. I'll just be watching these bad boys I have here. A couple small caps I'm looking at, but that's it, guys. Hope you guys have a great one. Hope you guys love these breakdowns that I have every morning. They help me out. They help me make my game plan for my futures index. And I'm green right now. So we green right now. I'll actually show you guys. We actually took that trade last night. We took a Globex long off here. We longed it off that. And I can actually show you. So, yeah. Green a little bit, a little 813. So, nothing crazy. Nothing too wild. But, so yeah, I'm going to be very particular off my trades for today. I'll wait for the open, and I'll take that long, and then I'll have that stop there at that Asia low. If we get taken out, then I'll flip short, targeting 24,877, targeting previous day open. So keeping it simple, keeping it tight. It is Monday, so it is what it is, baby. But I hope you guys have a blessed one. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I appreciate it. I've been seeing a lot of new subscribers coming on the channel. I appreciate it. What I haven't noticed is that you guys have not been liking it. Come on, hit that like button. Really helps the algo, Hit that like, put those comments. Let me know if you guys want me to do any other type of videos for you guys. But yeah, appreciate it. Peace. Have a good day.